Hello everyone, I trust you all are faring well. So today I wish to share a strategy with you. One that has proven to be highly effective for me, delivering consistent success. So let me know if it also works for you. I would clear this giving one example. Let's say or imagine an unexpected visitor arriving at your doorstep. So the absence of prior awareness would likely result in a lack of warm welcome. Means just because you were not informed beforehand, you couldn't welcome as you were supposed to. Conversely, if you were informed, so you could have prepared well, tidy up your space, or plan offerings and refreshments, ensuring a more hospitable reception. And that's really true. Means, on the other hand, if you were informed, so you could plan things accordingly. So, the essence of my message is that meticulous planning enables superior performance. In many various life situations, we can cover by planning only, and we can perform well. We are not going to be nervous or lose our confidence because already we prepared. We had our practice. So, this way, I want to say you, and I want you to cover the situation one by one, adding relevant examples and having your practice. So we covered last situation out make do. Adding so what if we had our practice with make do. So this is the next situation. Let's delve into it is what if. What if means if you have fear or you are nervous, you are thinking it is totally assumption, it is not real one, and you have a fear like it may not happen with me, and it is assumption कि अगर ऐसा हो गया तो अगर मैं वहाँ टाइम पे ना पहुँच पाई तो अगर उसने मेरा प्रपोज़ल रिजेक्ट कर दिया तो अगर उसने मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर ना दिया तो so this kind of sentences or question comes in your mind being nervous, so we will cover this situation adding what if, and its opposite it was so what if we learned which we learned last session. So what if, but it was only for overconfident person, the person even after making mistake if he doesn't realize, and he says so what if I added extra salt in food, so what if I couldn't attend that meeting, so what if, but it is only what if. What if this is just opposite of so what if. So what if here I'm just giving one example. Firstly, what if I couldn't understand his question? For example, you are going for an interview and you have a fear like if I couldn't understand his question then what would I do? So you will ask this question to your friend or any close person of yours. What if I couldn't understand his question? What if I couldn't understand his question? What if I couldn't answer him well? What if I couldn't answer him well? Suppose you are going for exam and you have fear, you are nervous, then you are asking to your mom or someone, what if I couldn't score well? What if I couldn't score means what would happen to me if I couldn't score well, then what would I do? So what if I couldn't score well? अगर मैं अच्छे स्कोर ना कर पाई तो ओके सो अगर मैं टाइम पे पहुंच ना पाई तो व्हाट इफ़ आई couldn't रीच ऑन टाइम. व्हाट इफ़ आई couldn't रीच ऑन टाइम. अगर वो मेरी बात को ना समझ पाया तो अगर वो मेरी फीलिंग्स को ना समझ पाया तो व्हाट इफ़ ही couldn't understand my feeling. What if he couldn't understand my feeling, or also you can say what if he didn't understand my feeling, or what if he didn't understand my feeling. अगर मेरी feelings को ना समझ पाया तो that's why we are adding second form or in positive sentence, and in negative couldn't or didn't. अगर ना समझ पाया so couldn't, or if he नहीं समझा so didn't. If he didn't understand, if he couldn't understand, also we can use here what if he doesn't understand me. Doesn't अगर वो मुझे नहीं समझता है तो because it is the condition if he doesn't understand me present situation. What if he doesn't understand me? What if he doesn't understand me? What if he didn't answer my call? What if he didn't answer my call? अगर उसने मेरा फ़ोन ना उठाया तो what if he didn't answer my call? What if I couldn't surpass him? What if I couldn't surpass him? Surpass means if you defeat someone or if you give strong competition to someone. So, what if I couldn't surpass him? What if he didn't ask me to come in? अगर उसने मुझसे अंदर आने को ही ना बोला तो? What if he didn't ask me to come in? What if he didn't listen to me? अगर उसने मेरी बात ना सुनी तो? Okay. अगर वो हमारी प्रॉब्लम ना समझ पाया तो? What if he couldn't understand our problem? What if he didn't understand our problem? What if he something? So अगर हम उसके चंगुल से ना भाग पाए तो? अगर हम उसके चंगुल से ना भाग पाए तो? What if we couldn't escape from his clutches? What if we couldn't escape from his clutches? Escape from his clutches means what if we couldn't escape ourselves from his prison? I hope it is clear. Make few more sentences relevant to your life. Add at least 10 sentences relevant, all should be, and please have your practice to be comfortable in this situation. I hope you'll do it, and I will get you new more stuff, coming situations and coming sessions. So till then, let's link up later. Thank you, bye.